Hi, Trevor. This is a nice presentation. It's easy for me to see what your intentions are. I like these funny boxes too. You can kind of play with them. And the candy's a nice idea. If you do go with this idea, I recommend thinking about getting packaged candy, not loose candy, because people are very suspicious of getting, off-brand food of any kind. And even though this might be M&Ms or Jelly Bellies, you still want it to be packaged. And then I think it's a delightful gift, and you have all this real estate for putting your logo on there. It's a good idea. This is super cool. I did see this too when I was looking at Leave Behind examples. Let me see what you say it is. Business card in the pocket. Is it just a little box? Does it looks like it opens? Um, so there's no pocket on this one, but if you open it, there's a shirt that has a pocket. Is that the idea? I think that's a great idea. I think the receiver will probably keep it around their desk for a while and then throw it away. They may or may not keep your business card. So that's something to think about. How can you make it a little more practical so it's something that they would want to keep around? If it's an actual box, maybe you could put something useful in it that they might go to every once in a while. This one I think is a great idea. I love it. The only problem is I keep hearing that leave behinds of USBs are not a good idea anymore because apparently people have uploaded viruses or tried to steal company information that way. I know it sounds super paranoid, but if you just do a Google search on it, you'll start to see people against USB gifts. The only way I think that you could get around that is if you got something that was packaged and then you put it in this. I don't know if they sell them like that, but I mean, I personally would love to get this, and I'm on a Mac, so I never have viruses or anything. I wouldn't have a problem with it. But if that's an industry opinion, of course, you don't want to do it. Anyway, these are all good ideas. This one might be something that is easily accomplished. I think you can get these sort of wedding favor things at Party City. And then as far as putting a logo on there, I don't know how easy that would be by yourself. But I bet you can go to like for imprint. Just type in like wedding favor boxes, and you should see customizable ones. Anyway, whichever one you choose, I look forward to it.